Hey, my name is Pushpendra, and today video is very important for all those developers who don't know how to write the test cases and how to test the application with the help of test cases into the Swift UI. So this video especially I have developed for Swift UI developers. If any of the other developer is looking for how to design and develop the test cases, please comment into the comment box. So without wasting further time, let's understand how to write the test cases into the Swift UI project. So here is the project name of the project is Coffee. So inside Coffee you will whenever you are creating any of the new project, then these two folder will come automatically. Okay, this is my Coffee tests class, that is we can say it's a group. So here I'm going to create one new file from the template. It will be Swift file. From here just give the name counter model. So here class counter model, it's a observable object. Now here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write the increment and decrement function over here. Okay, this is for increment and this is for decrement. Now next is reset. So this is my three function. Now this three function I'm going to call my main class of the test is. So from here I have counter model. So what I need to do next, so this is my main class file from where I have to execute the test cases. Here you have to write the test in front of each function whatever you are going to call for the test execution. This is my function. So here I'm going to take let here my counter ViewModel dot increment. Now XCT assertion equal. So here we have multiple XCT assert, XCT assert nil, XCT assert true, XCT assert false, and XCT assert equal. So in this video I am going to use equal, but if you want to know about other like assert true or false, then please write into the comments box. I will prepare the video for that. So here ViewModel.count plus 1. What is the meaning of XCT assert equal is? It means that this formula whatever I am sending here, it should be equal to 1, then it will pass, otherwise this case will fail. Okay, now same I'm going to write for decrement. So here this is for decrement. Now same I'm going to write for test reset value. Reset also will be same like view model done. Okay, so while I'm calling this, it should be equal to reset. Now for running this test case, what you need to do, in your MacBook press command +6 at the same time. Once you press it, then you will able to see your new function, increment value, decrement value, and reset value. So for running this, what you need to do here, you will able to see one play button. Just click on this play button, then automatically your code will start compiling. Once it is compiled, then you will able to see the result. It will take some time when we are launching first time. After that it will not take time. Okay, great. So here we have run the increment value function which is started and passed after 0.001 second. So here you can see it's passed. Okay, now if I write it something like 3 and try to rerun it, then you can see the output. So here we are using the import testing framework. So here if you will able to see, here increment value started and it's always passed. The reason is that because this is not a full-fledged version right now from the Swift side. So I will remove this and I will convert into the classic scenario of the test cases. So I will convert this from the class. Everything almost will remain same, but I will make the changes a little bit. XCTest cases. From here I just need to remove this test, and in front of that I need to write test example. Same for all function. And once it is done, after that we just need to click on the execute button from play. Just for example, I want to check the incremental function, it is working fine or not. So I just hit on the run button, and from here you will able to see it's got failed because the actual value should be 2. Here why it should be 2, because the count value is itself 1 and we are adding +1, so the final value should be 2. Now if I run the same, then you will able to see it got pass. Now here you can see the case has been passed in 0.002 second. So like that you can examine your logical functionality, you can check the logical functionality, and it is not only about the integer, you can pass the string also, it should be equal to that string. So like that you can go with the XCTAssertEqual test. So if you are looking for more deeper into the XCT test, then please comment into the comments box and ask your topic. I will prepare the further video for that. Thank you so much. Have a great time.